Hey guys, Bing here. Today let's try all sorts of void. Okay, so first let's start. Create a project. Sorry. So let's start with wall. WA. So let's create a hole in the wall. So the easiest one will be, so that's a wall opening. So with this one, you can only create a rectangular shape, and also you can't change the face of this opening, so you need to stay with the wall. So when you change the face of the wall, this opening will stay the same with the wall. Okay, so let's try. So that's only the wall. Okay, another option is model in place, and usually I'll just use wall category, and then you can use all these, but normally I'll just use void extrusion, set work plan on this wall, and then you can draw a maybe just a circle, and the depths to match the wall, maybe a little bit more than that, and then you need to cut wall void and finish. So now we have a wall with this opening. Okay, and also you will notice that because this wall is existing and this void is new construction, so if you show new construction with previous demo, you will show as demolish this part. Okay, and if you show previous and new, you will see this hole. And if you show it in existing and show complete, you will see this whole wall. Okay, so let's I'll leave it here. So now let's do another example, maybe floor. So I'll draw a floor here, and let's try and see. So with floor you can do, or actually wall as well, so you can do shaft. So if you have a lift or stairs, so you can use shaft, so it will cut everything along this space is blocked. So if I move it here, so you can see it will, oh, it's not cutting the wall. Let me draw a wall here, so see if it's not cutting. Okay, so shaft won't cut the wall. There then. Okay, so that's fine. But floor works. So if I draw a ceiling here, and also, so see this shaft will also cut the ceiling. Yep. Okay, so that's shaft. So I'll create another floor here. So let's try vertical. Yep, vertical also work on floor. So you can draw a shape, and then so that's it. And also looks like it's the same as the wall opening, so you can't have the change the face. It will always matching the one you're cutting. Okay, so vertical works on floor. By face, let's try by face. Just delete opening, it's fine. By face, yeah, also works. And the same, you can't change the face. Okay, so and what else? So that's it. So the last one will be you can also use model in place. So normally I'll use floor to match that category, and then just draw a extrusion void extrusion set work plan on this wall, oh sorry, floor, and then something like that, and then make sure it's cover the depth of the floor. So you need to check this, and then you need to. So if you click on finish model without cutting, so it will say so you can't create this family with only a void, not cutting anything. No, you can't. So in the cancel and go here, cut floor void, so and then finish. So with this one, you can change the face of this void. So here I have existing floor, so you can change this void to new. So if I'm on the new face, show complete, you will see the complete floor. And then if you change the new construction and say prevent the new, and then it show a hole in the wall. Okay, so that's floor. So ceiling should be similar, and then let's have a look of roof. Roof should be the same. Okay, so if I have a roof there, and if I want to cut, see, let's try cut by face. Yes, you can pick a face, draw a shape, and you have a hole there. So, but you can't change the face. So shaft, let's try. So let's copy this shaft here and see if it will cut. Yes, shaft works on roof. Wall, of course not. It's not a wall. Shaft vertical. So verticals you can, so different to the face. The face will if you pick this face, it will perpendicular to this face. But vertical, so I'll try. So if I click on this roof, and then I can just draw a shape, cover part of this roof, and then finish. No, sorry, won't allow me to do this. So I'll align this edge to that, align this edge to there, align this edge to this to see if it works. Yes. So here, so we have this roof, which part of this roof is being cut up. So this is quite useful when you sometimes when you need to demolish part of the roof. So for example, this one, if I want to demolish this part of the roof, so I'll just make a clean one. Okay, so copy this one here and delete element, delete this hole. So if I want to cut demolish half of the roof, so what I can do is I'll have this in existing, yeah. So and then I'll create a vertical opening and pick this roof, and so pick this edge, and also as well as maybe here, that one. So now I'll have only half of this roof as existing. So what I can do is copy this one and then paste at the same line to the same place, and then pick this edge. So tab, make sure that's new construction. So which means I picked the opening of the new roof. So edit sketch, drag this to this end, align that. Okay, so now see I have this existing roof, this new roof, or you can, oh sorry, I should change this one. So this one should be demolished. Yeah, so this is new and demolish. So this is how I will always use to yeah, because sometimes when it's the shape of the roof is quite complicated. So this one's fine. You can just model this as this one. If for example, if you want to demolish this part. So it's a little bit hard to model this shape, but with that method, I just show you. So if I try to now to bring this demolished part back, and then I just need to select this. So see this opening. This belongs to the existing this part. So I just need to tab again. Existing. Oh, sorry. This one. Yeah, this one's correct. So I just need to pick this. What's that called? Opening cut, roof opening cut, edit sketch, and then match this one. So, and then just do this, and okay. So now I have this roof as existing, this as demolished. So if I show previous and demo, so this is previous and demo, and previous and new. I'll maybe draw another new roof here. So if I show existing, so this is existing. You can even join them. Yeah. Okay. So this is roof, and also another one, final one. So I'll copy this one to here. Delete element. So this will be the existing roof. Let's try model in place void. So let's use roof. Okay. Extrusion set work plan. Maybe I'll just use ground floor and go top, and I'll cut a hole here. So maybe some similar to that one. And then you need to just drag that up to make sure you're cutting that, and then cut and finish model. So now because maybe change this to new construction. Okay, so it looks okay. Hang on, let me check. So new existing. So in existing, it's good. New construction and show previous and new. Yes, correct. Previous demo. Perfect. So it will be the same. Yeah, but this one with a vertical opening, so you only have roofs with the cut. What's that called? Sorry. What's that called? Roof opening cut. So you only have roof opening cut with all this roof. This one will be one single roof with a void. The void, let me try to select it. So the void will be on the. Can I select void? Maybe try now. Here. So you previous and demo. Let's see. Can I? No. Previous and new. You can select this edge, and then if you find this edit in place, which means you find it, so you can then it's here, and then you can edit extrusion. Okay, so yeah, this is also a good way to demolish part of the roof. So yeah, what's next? So let's have a look of model in place. Okay, so model in place. If I model generic model, so and if I'm doing some extrusion, and how do I cut a hole in here? So simply you can just create a void, set work plan, maybe on this face, and then drag that. So usually Revit, if you click here, Revit will automatically cut a hole. But if it doesn't cut, so sometimes if you don't want to cut, you can uncut geometry. And if sometimes it won't cut, like it shows like this, you just need to cut here, and then you can finish. Otherwise, if I Control Z go back with the void not cutting anything, if I finish, so you will have this warning. So now you can't have a void there not cutting anything. Okay, so let's cut it and the finish model. So this will be the model in place. So another way, I'll show you another way to cut holes. Okay, so new family, so you can create a face-based. So usually I'll create a generic model face-based, and then so you will have this face. This is the base of this family. So you just create a void extrusion or anything you like. Here I'm going to create a shape like this. Okay, so and make sure it's going this way under, so cut into this base. So I'll drag this into there. Okay, so and yeah, maybe it depends how deep you want to be. So like this, and you can't have this one like this. It won't automatically cut. You need to use the cut. Click on this base and click on this void. So now this family, if I load it into the project, I can use it. Cut holes on a model in place here, or on a roof, or on nothing, roof, floor, ceiling, wall. Okay, so this is the easiest way to cut holes if the holes are just regular shape, or you can even build some parameters to control the size. Okay, so and also let me show you another one. So this one, so just avoid, yes, and that's option here, cut with void when loaded. This is a bit confusing, so just look at that, but it actually is. I'll show you when this will be useful. So if I have a floor here, I'll just copy this one for CC here, and if I have another floor, I'll see if I can copy another one. So if I have two floor, maybe sometimes you need to structure floor and then finish. If I have these two floor, and then if I use this face-based family, and then I try to cut a cut a hole here, it won't cut through. So you need to cut twice. So you need to have two family here, so cut at the same place. But if you here come back to here, and then somehow you have this void, copy and paste in the same place, and then you will see this color, which means that the new void can't cut out, doesn't cut anything. So that's why it's showing orange, because it's not cutting anything, because the solid has already been cut by the first one, so it's fine. And then if we tick this one and then load into here, and you will be able to use the cut and then click on the lower floor and then click on this family, so it will cut through. So otherwise, let me show you why. So if I delete this one, if I only have this and load back into here, delete. So now I have this family here, but if I try to cut the second floor, then it won't let me to pick it. So you will need two void at the same place. One cut this base, the other one not cutting anything. So you can use that the second void to manually cut things. Okay, so yeah, a little bit confusing, but you will, yeah, once you know how it works, it will be, yeah, it's good to it'll be useful, I believe. Okay, so wall floor, what else? I think that's pretty much yeah, that's normal. It's cutting a hole on the roof. So yeah, if you have any idea or questions, just let me know, and yeah, uh, I'll see you next time. Okay, stay safe, guys. Bye.